Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Memier Papyrus. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. In this week's Tuesday tip, I want to show you a tool that is often overlooked in the catalog. It's the Blender pen. Let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about the Blender pen. This is an overlooked tool in the Stampin' Up! Catalog, especially since we started with the Stampin' Blends. The Stampin' Blends are the alcohol-based markers that you can, offered in two colors, that you can blend your colors with. But this was done with the Blender pen, and it can be done with any of our colors, and it's done with the classic stamp pad. So let me show you how. We'll start with the image that I showed you in soft suede. So we have our stamp pad here, and we want to stamp our image. Blending gives any image a very professional look, a nice finish and depth to your project. So all you have to do with your Blender pen is to pull in the ink from your image, and it will give you this lighter shade on the inside. And when you're done, so you see I'm adding just a little bit of color on the inside of my image by pulling in the ink while it's still freshly stamped. And when you're done with your pen, all you have to do to clean it is just wipe it off on the piece of white paper. So every pen has two tips, and it's got a special liquid inside that helps with the blending. And if you go online, you can find the recipe for this liquid. You just searched Blender pen refill, and you'll find a recipe to make your own and just replace it when it gets dried up. So this is the result. Let's do another image with another color. So this is one of the new stamp sets. It's called Enjoy the Moment, and it's very pretty. So let's do an old olive this time. So I'll stamp my image, bring in the Blender pen, and you see how it gives you such a nice soft shade of the color you just stamped. So you can do it as much or as little as you want, and it really creates a depth of your image. And when you're done, again, just until it wipes clean, and put your cap on, and there you have it. So any color will give these kind of blending results. They're called the Blender pens, and they are in the current Stampin' Up! Catalog. I hope you enjoyed this tip. We'll see you again next time.